guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to pick the winner for my monthly giveaway. Every month for all the orders that come in, your order will be an entry for a giveaway. So I'm going to put in the first order of the month. So I'm using just the 4 last digits, and then I'll put in the last order of the month and do random.org to generate one winner. I post on the blog the prize pack every month. So this month was a array of MFT goodies, a very nice prize package. So if you want to click on the blog and check it out, and I will do May's giveaway, and I'll post that prize package on the blog as well. So let's put in the first one here, and then the last order, and I will contact the winner directly. So the winner is 1506, so I will contact that person so they can claim their prize. So congratulations and thanks for shopping, guys. I really do appreciate that, and this is just another way to say thank you to my customers. You guys are the best. So I also have a winner for my video of the long unicorn card video. I had a giveaway on that video. I asked you to tell me the craziest place you found one of your lost crafty items. So I was talking about how I lost one of my images that I colored, and I still can't find it. And I took a lot of your not ideas, but what you guys said, where you lost it and where you found it. I checked in those places and I did not find my unicorn, but maybe one day it'll show up, or maybe it's lost forever. But the winner for that giveaway is Tina's Crazy Crafty Chaos, and I really like her name. And she had lost an item, and she found it in the bottom of her washing machine. I thought that was a hilarious place to find your item. I think it was a die, she said. It was a die, and it was making a scraping noise, and she didn't know how long it's been in there. There was some really, really great ones. I love the one where someone found their lost item in their bra. I think there was 2 of you. And the one where the husband, he was on the ottoman putting his feet up, and there was a die cut, I think, stuck to his sock. That was funny. Yeah, there was a lot of them that were really, really great, and I loved reading all the comments. That was really fun. So Tina from Crazy Crafty Chaos, just leave a comment in this video so I know you saw it, and then you can contact me through my website, which is nottoshabbyshop.com. You can click on the contact me and send me your address, and I will send out a prize pack to you. So thank you so much, guys. And tomorrow I will be participating in the Summer Spring Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. Let me put something down. You guys are just staring at a black mat, and that's not fun. So I will be participating in the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop starting May 2nd, and I think it runs through the 10th of May. So I will have a special coupon code for you for 15% off the shop, and that code is coffee15. That code will begin tomorrow. So feel free to use that, and I hope you guys hop along with us. All you have to do is create a coffee themed card in the spring summer theme and post it on their blog. So thank you so much, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.